Yeah, I suppose probably similar to you, John. One of the biggest challenges that we're seeing from our clients and just from the market in general is equipment reliability and uptime. Um, Especially in pharma, but in other industries too. A lot of the products that we make, we all operate in highly regulated and very high demand industries, and there's more and more demand for the products that we're working on, that we're helping create, and they need to get more product out the door. So it's having the equipment in a condition that it's up more than it's not, is super critical. And just to touch on what John was saying earlier, and to go a bit deeper, like the tacit knowledge piece and the worker turnover, we feel is really critical here, because if you hire a resource maintenance or facilities resource within your organization, they have 90% of the knowledge that they need to do the job, if they're trained adequately, which they should be. But it's that tacit knowledge. They're coming into your plant with zero, pretty much zero tacit knowledge of the systems, the processes, the geography, the culture, generally how you work within your organization. And that's very, very hard to impart quickly onto somebody. Like if you lose somebody who's been in your plant 20 years, you're losing a lot more than a maintenance resource. You're losing a whole lifetime of knowledge. So really having a way to distill and harness that tacit knowledge is a big challenge for organizations. And where we see, the twin challenge with that, and what really is a big challenge to harness that knowledge, is the delay and the reticence to adopt new technologies. You know, Outside of work, we've all become very much dependent on technology, but the systems that we're using especially in maintenance and asset management, you know, they haven't changed in almost a quarter of a century. The interfaces are the same, the ways of working are the same, the ways of putting data into the system have remained the same. And we feel that there's a huge dividend to be gained, just like we've had in our lives outside work, from deploying new technologies to data management, resource availability, compliance, tacit knowledge. And all that leads to this operational excellence piece where essentially your plant is running smoothly and it's producing. But it's really incumbent on companies to challenge, incentivize, and foster people to create a culture of innovation and technology adoption within their organizations.